this puff pastry snack is perfect for a watch party, and just so happens that it's going to be a football game during the holiday season. So I've got a puff pastry sheet that I rolled out, a stick of beef summer sausage. You can use kielbasa, and you cut that into like a candy cane shape. Then you just kind of slit all over the kielbasa or summer sausage. And then you're going to wrap up the ends, wrap up the other end, and then you're just going to like make stripes with the pastry. If there's too much, go ahead and trim those off. You don't need those. You can use it for something else. And just go ahead and wrap that up and then put it on a baking sheet. While that's baking in the oven, we're going to make 3 dipping sauces. So we've got just a regular stone ground mustard and like a thing of nacho cheese sauce. And then I make a honey mustard using hot honey and a little bit of regular honey, just to give it that little extra kick. So once the puff pastry kielbasa comes out of the oven, go ahead and put that on a tray, and you can go ahead and put all the sauces around it. And the guys are gonna love this. It's like so perfect. Like it's Christmas, but it's also, for a football watch party. So go ahead and put that together and slice it up into bite-sized pieces and take it and hope you make